they need a good start. They can't mess up here. Conditions on the track crucial for a good start, and that's exactly what they get over on the right-hand side. And it's Siwa. Wow, Jeremy Siwa with a foxhole shot. He won the qualifying race. That gave him the red plate and the championship lead. He wins race 2. He wins the Grand Prix here in Argentina. He leads the World Championship as we head to Spain in Gajser. Lucas Coenen looking for a way through though towards the end of this first unofficial lap. Siwa knows is there. Coenen goes to the outside. He may lead here on the exit of the final turn. Lucas Coenen, Red Bull KTM, factory racing, out of the final turn, wins race 1 here, and that is a big win for the Belgian. So, Ruben Fernandez down in 29! Gajser catches one of those turrets of dirt. Riders are always concerned about them. They put them there to sort of stop riders cutting the course. Lucas Coenen wins race 2. He goes 1-1. It's a perfect day in Switzerland. Into second, with Coenen exactly where he wanted him, and he's got him on the ropes. A mistake from Coenen. Listen to the roar of the crowd as Febvre flies by. Febvre wins at home. Gates drop. Good jump for all the 3 guys. Herlings will master the young pretender. He wins race 1 by just over 2 seconds. His second win of the season. Inside gate, as always, Jeffrey Herlings will take it when he can. Alongside him, Romain Febvre, Glenn Coltnoff will line up next to them, and then Fernandez and Coenen and Vallanderen as the Fly Racing 15-second ward goes up here at Matterley Base in race 1. Until this moment here, we just fold in the front. Coltnoff went around the outside. To the inside, oh nice, goes even further, goes a long way round. Vallanderen tries to read it well, and he does. And Coenen freight train. Oh, Herlings has thrown it away again. And he goes through here, back end, that one coming out of nowhere. Absolutely bonkers here in Sweden. And he's going to make the move on second. Wow! Listen to that noise. Gifting second. Ah! A by-length in it. Is he going to repeat the pass where he found his way past Herlings? I think he is. Gifting leads. He takes the lead from Febvre. They can't believe it. I can't believe it. Pull me down from the ceiling. Hold it together. Keep it in check. Gifting throws it away. of the Dutchman. He goes up the inside, Febvre around the outside. Hold him off, was absolutely ambushed there, wasn't it? Back marker though, falls on the Dragon's back, almost catching Renault out. Massive moment that was for the Frenchman. Nothing there as they hit the line, and Herlings, bulldog spirit, the bullet charging down the inside, out of nowhere, takes over the lead here on lap 15. Coenen makes a better jump there, banging bars coming out of that first turn. Febvre switches back to the inside, recovers well. He'll tip around the inside as well. He'll come out in what, third, second? A couple of riders go over the berm. Coenen with the foxhole shot. But Lucas Coenen, he will win race one here in Australia. But the story will be as he takes second overall in the 2025 championship. Romain Febvre, anti-Pyrenean, is in tears. The man of not so many emotions. Romain Febvre, finally, a two-time world champion. The first in the Premier class for Kawasaki, the first since Sebastian Tortelli in the Premier class since 1998. The first to congratulate him will be Lucas Coenen, but he'll ride into the arms of his team. Just out of the final turn, DeWolf is going to take second, and Captain McClellan is going to round out. He's going to take his first ever race with triumph. Adamo all over the back Now it's less than a second, just over 3/4 of a second. Gets very sticky and heavy. Oh, Sacha Coenen! Delivers the red plates to Andrea Adamo for the second time this year. See how choppy this racetrack is as well, look. Looking to move to the inside. Oh, nice line there. He found something there, didn't he? And in the blink of an eye, that sand riding expertise. He wins race 1 here in Finland. Back-to-back wins. He wins all 3 races. More importantly, we've got a bit of an interesting fight going on here between these two. De Wolf has been caught by Längenfelder. Längenfelder tried to run around the outside, maybe thought better of it. Didn't want to feel the wrath of the elbow from De Wolf. He's going to go the long way round here. Two corners to go. And Simon Längenfelder working his way towards the checkered flag. Längenfelder will cross the line. Längenfelder wins race 2. He wins the MXGP of Turkey. Hasn't been an easy weekend for him, but he turned it around when it mattered. I say he's got no allegiances. He's got big elbows, that Spaniard, and he tried to make it as difficult as possible for Längenfelder to take over the lead, and it's not done yet either.
I expect that from him, just the way I've watched him racing.
The opportunity that he wanted. They knew it was coming as well. De Wolf wins race 1 here. He's a step closer to a potential second World Championship title. This is where it counts, the final race of the season. Gates drop now, good jump there from De Wolf. The rain has been coming, the thunder is all around us, and this is going to be a game changer. Oh, he's going to be on the receiving end here if he's not careful. Oh, he parks him, goes down. If De Wolf takes over the lead and Längenfelder stays there, it ends in a tie. De Wolf gets it on race wins. Oh!
That's
Längenfelder
it.
down again. Because all of a sudden McClellan was in 5th place. Then De Wolf, he can't get through the corner here. Legging his way through the turn. Oh, he can't. Heartbreak for the man. This moment they're just trying to push the bike going, and it's just not going to happen. De Wolf is going to be out of the race and out of the championship fight. It gets going again. Wow! Race list goes by, or is that Elzinga? His championship dream is over. Simon Längenfelder, Red Bull KTM Factory Racing, celebrates his 2025 FIM Motocross World Championship title in the most dramatic of fashions here in Australia. The team can't wait to get down there to him.